Hey guys, it's Light Angel here. I'm going to be doing a Warrior series because I'm in the mood. But it's a Minecraft series. Look, some more crazy. I'm just going to give you a quick tour around camp. Yes, I do have a texture pack on. I have a shaders mod, I believe. And I think a tiny players mod. Which is why I want to. Well, basically. Anything that has a 1 block gap, I can put. Away from the flash. So, gunpowder is supposed to be a cat claw. Moss. Wait, moss. I haven't put much. Basically, this is it. Walking to the camp walk. Dead pig. We walk through the camp. Stroll in. I think the first kill pile is going to be right here. Right down here. Then Weir's done. Blue Star's done. And then Fire Star's done. And then Brownie Star's. But as far as I know, it's only Blue Star right now. Here is her sticker. Here. She can basically come back here anytime. Here's her little way onto High Rock. Oh, I'm in the leaves. Right here is the Warrior's Den. Right here is the Apprentice's Den. And there should be a little nest in the back. Okay. Little nesty. A little tree area. And not quite the nearest. I'll have to go to the Elder's Den. And the Medicine Den, which I'm going to be starting at in years long. Higher Hearts Apprentice. I think. I might have some new. Ooh, that's the tiger. Don't you get near, I can't. Actually got some damage. As you can see, I will test it out on this very ferocious tiger that is stealing my prey. Stay away from my prey. Yes, they drop meat and leather. And so far, I've only read where Firestar becomes leader. I've read the New Prophecy series, where they move to the lake, but I'm not going to get into that yet, because I still haven't built the whole map, and I just fell off the top. I will get cats, like, if I don't have enough players, because I only have maybe a few friends that might actually start it. And then if you're lucky, and if this Warrior series gets enough comments or likes or subscribers, I will do a Seeker series. Again, really, stop it. I will do a Seeker series where these 4 questing bears go on an unexpected journey. You'll have to read the book, but it's pretty awesome, and my friend Sophia loves it. So maybe I can get her to get a black bear skin, because she wants to be, spoiler alert, she wants to be, Musa, the black bear. I like Kellic, the polar bear. We might have to find someone to be, Chocolo, the brown bear, and Erdrock, the brown bear.